When it comes to traveling, there's something appealing about looking polished and put together without overspending. Whether you're exploring a bustling city, lounging at a resort, or navigating the airport, your travel essentials can play a key role in elevating your style. Affordable travel items that appear luxurious offer a perfect solution. They blend functionality with aesthetics, allowing you to feel confident and sophisticated while sticking to a budget. Affordable luxury travel items are an excellent choice for travelers who want to maintain a refined and stylish appearance while keeping their budgets in check. They prove that luxury isn't solely defined by the price tag. Rather, it's a combination of aesthetics, functionality, and the feeling of confidence they bring. This concept resonates with many modern travelers who seek high-quality, beautiful, and durable products without the guilt or worry that comes with overspending. Smart financial decisions. Investing in budget-friendly travel items that look expensive allows travelers to allocate funds to experiences rather than material goods. Instead of splurging on high-end bags or accessories, the saved money can be used for dining at a five-star restaurant, booking an unforgettable tour, or extending the trip by a few days, achieving a polished look without risk. Traveling with expensive designer items can create unnecessary stress. Items may be lost, stolen, or damaged during transit, which can ruin the travel experience. Affordable luxury alternatives mitigate this risk while offering a similar upscale appearance. Versatile style. Affordable luxury travel items are often designed with versatility in mind. A sleek backpack, a faux leather weekender, or a neutral-tone travel scarf can easily complement a variety of outfits, making it easier to look polished whether you're sightseeing, attending a meeting, or enjoying a fancy dinner. Wide availability. Thanks to advancements in manufacturing and the rise of competitive brands, affordable luxury items are no longer rare or hard to find. Numerous retailers now focus on producing travel accessories with a luxurious look at reasonable price points, giving travelers a wide range of options. Eco-friendly and ethical options. Many affordable brands focus on sustainable materials like vegan leather, recycled fabrics, or eco-conscious production methods. These products not only look premium, but also allow travelers to make choices that align with their values, combining affordability with responsibility. Functional elegance. Beyond aesthetics, affordable luxury travel items are often designed with practical features, such as organizational compartments, RFID blocking technology, or portability, ensuring they meet the demands of modern travelers while maintaining an upscale appearance. By balancing cost with style, affordable luxury travel items redefine how travelers approach packing, shopping, and accessorizing, ensuring that everyone can experience a touch of sophistication without breaking the bank. When choosing travel items that exude a high-end vibe without the hefty price tag, certain features make all the difference. These characteristics ensure that the products are not only stylish but also practical, durable, and well-suited for travel needs. High-quality materials. Materials are one of the primary indicators of an item's perceived value. Affordable items often use alternatives like vegan leather, brushed metals, or satin-like fabrics that closely mimic the appearance of luxurious materials. A well-made faux leather weekender bag or a satin travel sleep mask can elevate your travel style without the associated cost. Attention to detail. Quality stitching, seamless edges, sturdy zippers, and polished hardware are telltale signs of a premium product. Even on a budget, well-crafted details like metal accents, engraved logos, or smooth seams give items a high-end finish. Neutral and sophisticated colors. Neutral tones such as black, white, beige, and gray are timeless and universally associated with elegance. Accents in metallic hues like gold or silver add an extra touch of sophistication, making the items look far more expensive than they are. Minimalist design. Less is more when it comes to achieving a luxurious aesthetic. Minimalist designs with clean lines, simple silhouettes, and subtle branding are often perceived as more premium than items with flashy logos, bright patterns, or excessive embellishments. Functional features. Practicality is another hallmark of luxury. Items designed for convenience, such as a travel steamer with a sleek design or a backpack with USB charging ports, combine form and function. These additions enhance the travel experience while keeping the appearance polished. Durability. Affordable items that look expensive are often made with durability in mind. Materials like reinforced nylon, water-resistant coatings, or stainless steel ensure the products can withstand the rigors of travel without compromising their appearance. Portability, compact, lightweight, and foldable items like collapsible jewelry trays or packable scarves add an element of convenience, a feature often associated with high-end travel gear. By focusing on these features, affordable travel items can effortlessly emulate the luxurious feel of their pricier counterparts. Selecting travel items that combine affordability with a luxurious aesthetic requires a discerning eye and an understanding of key design and functional principles. Here's how to make smart choices. First, focus on timelessness over trends. Trendy items often come with loud patterns, seasonal colors, or over-the-top designs, which may appear less refined and quickly go out of style. Instead, choose classic and timeless designs that are versatile enough to complement a range of outfits and occasions. For instance, a simple black crossbody bag with gold accents will always look chic. Next, inspect material quality. Look for materials that mimic high-end textures and finishes. Vegan leather, smooth nylon, brushed metals, and satin-like fabrics are great alternatives to more expensive counterparts. Avoid items with flimsy, shiny finishes, as they can detract from the overall look. Prioritize subtle branding. Products with small or hidden logos are often perceived as more expensive. A passport holder with a small embossed design will appear more sophisticated than one with bold, visible branding. Evaluate the hardware and finishes. The quality of zippers, buckles, and handles significantly impacts the overall appearance of an item. Choose products with polished or brushed metal hardware, and avoid plastic components that may look cheap. Choose a cohesive color palette. A well-curated color palette can elevate your travel look. Neutral tones like black, beige, or gray paired with metallic accents create a cohesive and elegant aesthetic. Mixing neutral-colored items ensures they complement each other and contribute to a polished travel style. Consider versatility. Opt for items that can serve multiple purposes. A minimalist backpack can function as both a carry-on and a day bag, while a scarf can be used as a blanket or an evening wrap. Versatility not only saves space but also enhances the practicality of your travel accessories. Pay attention to reviews and recommendations. Reading reviews can provide insight into the durability and appearance of affordable travel items. Seek out brands known for producing stylish, well-made products without premium price tags. Invest in key accessories. Small, well-designed accessories like a leather luggage tag, an elegant water bottle, or a compact travel steamer can make a big difference in your overall aesthetic. These details often stand out and can elevate even the simplest outfits. Go for personalized touches. Monogrammed items or products with customizable details add a bespoke feel. A personalized canvas tote bag or a jewelry case with your initials subtly enhances the perceived value of the item. Finally, test functionality before purchase. Ensure the item meets your travel needs while maintaining its aesthetic appeal. For example, a backpack should have sufficient compartments for organization, and a carry-on suitcase should be lightweight and durable. By following these guidelines, you can curate a collection of affordable travel items that look and feel luxurious, ensuring you always travel in style without exceeding your budget. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this guide on affordable travel items that look expensive, helpful, and inspiring for your next trip. Remember, you don't need to break the bank to travel in style. It's all about choosing the right pieces that blend function with elegance. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and hacks, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Share your favorite affordable travel item in the comments below. I'd love to hear your recommendations. See you in the next video, and happy travels!